Welcome to Network Marketing Pro. My name is Eric Worre, and this week I want to talk to you about one of the secrets to the top earners' success. We just recently had our most powerful women in network marketing event, and speaker after speaker came to the stage and they shared this secret. In addition, I did 3 or 4 interviews over the course of that weekend during the event with $1 million earners, and it was just uncanny that every single one of those interviews contained this secret. You want to know what it is? Here's what it is. Relationships are more important than your opportunity. Relationships are more important than your product. Relationships are more important than your compensation plan. Relationships are more important than your skills. And I was just blown away. And, of course, I've known this for a long time, but people care more about you caring about them than they do about the great opportunity that you have. If they can sense that you have a real relationship, that they can trust you, that they can believe you, that they can have a relationship with you, then they'll be open to looking at all your different opportunities, whether it's to be a customer or to be a distributor. Relationships are the most important things. Now, on 2 sides. Of course, relationships are important in your family. But the 2 sides for our business are relationships when it comes to your prospects. Building relationships, building rapport, building connection, building trust, building belief between you and your prospects. Now, how do you do that? By asking questions, by being more interested in them than trying to be interesting with your opportunity. Learning about them, finding about their hopes and dreams, seeing if you can help them, whether it's inside or outside of your business. Being a real friend to them. Once you do that, you build a real rapport. It's very easy to talk about your product or opportunity. And it's rich in its rewards, whether or not they join your business. So with your prospects, make sure that you are engaging in this mindset that my relationship with this prospect is the most important thing. We'll see if the opportunity fits for them or it doesn't, but I'm going to focus more on relationships than anything else. And the same thing is true with the people on your team. If you're always yelling at them, come on, go produce, go make more sales, go add more customers, get to that next rank, versus finding out about them. Sometimes we think, well, they're in our business now, so now we can treat them like an employee. Well, you can, but you're going to get a certain result. My suggestion to you is work on the relationships with your leaders. Work on the relationships with the brand new person who just joined your opportunity and is scared and nervous, unsure, insecure. Build relationships. How do you do that? By connecting, by asking questions, by being interested, by listening. Build relationships everywhere. The greatest networkers I know on planet Earth, you know what they collect more than even money? Friendships. They collect friends. Everywhere where they go, they collect friends. Whether it's in their business or in another network marketing company, they still collect friends. If they're in network marketing or outside of network marketing, they're still collecting friends. Every economic scale, they collect millionaire friends and 6-figure earning friends and minimum wage earning friends and unemployed friends. They just have friends everywhere. They're working on the relationships in their life. They're becoming a citizen of the world. And good things are automatically attracted to a person who cares more about people than anything else. It's what Jim Rohn called enlightened self-interest. It's okay for you to want more, but the enlightened part of self-interest, and the great part of what happens in our business, is the more that you help other people, you build relationship and trust and belief, confidence in other people, then you'll get your needs taken care of. If it's just self-interest, it's difficult sometimes if it's just self-interest, because there's a loser and a winner if there's just self-interest. But enlightened self-interest, if you help them win, then you get to win. You help enough other people, all your needs will be taken care of. So focus on the relationships. Focus on building trust, building belief, being interested, listening, being a friend, and good things will happen in your life and in your business. That's our show for this week. Ladies and gentlemen, my wish for all of you is that you decide to become a network marketing professional, that you decide to go pro, because it is a stone cold fact that we do have a better way. Now let's go tell the world. Everybody have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.